So here we are over here at Fisher Tools, and you guys want to know where I get all my exclusive Milwaukee stuff. Well, I'm giving you my secrets. This place is pretty equivalent to Ohio Power Tools. Right, so here's what I got for roughly $300. I got this pencil. This guy right here, man, you would not believe how much this is really needed. And when it comes to reaching inside of behind stuff to mark it, which is kind of hard to do sometimes. This chalk shot, I've been wanting to try this. I've seen this on Amazon, but I'm not an Amazon fan. So, you know, you just take this and you just shoot a little chalk inside the hole to make your mark, whatever the case may be. I got this little hip bag right here. I would definitely be trying this thing out. Pretty excited to put this guy on and use this versus the one that I've been using. I got the rocket light, the little 12-volt rocket light there. I got it for $160. Home Depot has it for $200. So I jumped on it. Really didn't need this dust extractor right here. It was $10 off, but you know, like I said, the GC and the builders absolutely would like to see us have that. Typically, when I drill my dust-proof strikes, I just have my vacuum sitting there, and I'm able to just, you know, suck up the dust, which is very toxic. It's considered a silica inside that dust, but this right here is going to keep me safe. And like I said, the builders are going to smile when they see that. But I'm going to be doing a review on every single thing I just picked up. I got all kind of great content. You know, I'm kind of having, you know, a little bit of commisery of my purchase. Like, oh, I didn't want to spend that much money. But, you know, I'm going to make videos on YouTube. Once again, over here at Fisher Tools, you know, they need a big Milwaukee sign right there on the front of the building, honestly. But, yeah, if you guys have a, you know, place like this in your town, leave me a comment, let me know, and make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you check out my merch in the description. Thanks for watching. Peace out.